I didn't quit drawing because I hated it. I quit because it kept making me feel stupid. Every session started with pressure, overthinking, and zero ideas. This video is about what I changed, the prompt system I found, and why drawing finally feels enjoyable again. What messed me up wasn't skill. It was the starting point. Every time I sat down, my brain went blank. No direction, no ideas, just this feeling that I should know what to draw. After a while, you stop opening the sketchbook. Not because you don't care, but because you're tired of feeling stuck. I spent literally all my energy on learning to draw better, but drawing wasn't the problem. Ideas and creative block were. I didn't need motivation. I needed ideas. Something to tell me what to draw. That's when I came across a system called 323 How to Draw Prompts. This isn't a drawing course. It doesn't teach anatomy or shading or theory. It's literally a collection of 323 drawing prompts, clear starting points that remove the thinking part. You open it, pick a prompt, and start drawing. That's it. The pressure disappeared instantly, because once the what should I draw, the question was gone, drawing stopped feeling heavy. I wasn't trying to be good. I was just responding to an idea, and weirdly, that's when I started drawing more consistently. Not just this, it helped me make money by publishing perfect how to draw images for KDP and Etsy. The character features are simple enough that even a 5-year-old can replicate, so it was a win-win for me. Before I tell you how it works, here's a spoiler. This is not just for artists. This is for you if you're a total beginner, casual sketcher, a parent with creative kids, a teacher or homeschooler, or a digital artist stuck in a rut. How it works? Step 1. Open a new chat in Gemini Advanced. Select the Thinking or Pro option to activate the advanced model, Nano Banana Pro. Step 2. Simply copy the prompt from our collection and paste it into the chat. Step 3. Download your generated image immediately. Edit the pictures for easy compiling in Canva or your preferred publishing software. The tool costs less than you'd spend on a meal. $17 one-time payment with lifetime access. If any part of this sounded familiar, the overthinking, the blank page, the frustration, then this is probably worth a look. I've left the link to 323 How to Draw Prompts in description. Remember, you don't have to be an artist to try this. You could be someone looking for passive income through your art skills. Check it out below and see if it works for you the way it worked for me.